จะđược xuống nó các bạn kia chẳng dân vào lập một ván cho mùi nâng xe learning online mình nâng vẹo bí và to vì khám bàn cho em đây tới tên cho mùi nâng vẹo thì mối đài vậy thì mối dương riêng tại tên cho mùi nâng đài nó cứ English consonant sounds into Khmer consonant sounds hai dương đến tên cho mùi nâng Khmer English vowels into Khmer vowel sounds hai sừng khâm thay này đang kia nâng cái tổ bài nâng trẻ đầm đấy nâng tha ở phép tràn với chán có đăng hai từ tầng cho mùi nâng cả bài nâng phần tái miền bo được vào bu một trận núi qua tuần trẻ và nâng chân dương nâng riêng từng ở cái này cho em lại từng ở cái này hay ở bên này dương tới cứ dương bên ai thường cho em lát dương anh comment mở nơi video nắng làm bài việc cả các em xem của dương ở chat từng ở cái này hay dương mình men chỉ bị xả đau và tay dương mình chăn tẹt một cả chơi hôm lại xem hai ở môn nâng dương tấu ở sau chui check subscribe một đôi chị like video của dương họ hai đồng bài tôi bài video xem tiền để tận thân cho mọi người cài riêng để luôn ai làm online ta là chúng ta ở cái này ok chẳng tìm muối cái ngày ở xa dương to vì lượng muốn như lên về so error so p so today we learn from Q until Z and plus vowel sounds. Okay, so first one with Q. Q normally we plus with U and we pronounce it quo, yes, something like that. And the example queen, you see Q and U, quo plus vowel E, we say vowel digraph, so it combined together become one new vowel sounds. Okay, and let's go to quotes, also QU, quer, quiet and quit. So again, QU, quer, example queen, quote, quiet, quit. And then we go to letter R. We pronounce it in Khmer sounds raw, r. And let's see example like rule, rich, rush, and ring. So all these words start with letter R. Raw. Okay, and then we move on to next one. Okay, S, saucer in Khmer. And then let's see examples here. Send, salt, save, swallow. Okay, and many more words start with letter S. Okay, and then we go to next one. T, we pronounce it in Khmer, or we speak in Khmer sounds like to, and ter. This is depend on what we say in Khmer, pu o and pu. Yes, and English also the same. Yeah. Okay, so let's see example here. Train, treasure or treasure, tackle, tool. So here it starts with letter T. Here if here is a bit noticeable, like here TR equivalent is throw, and I hope we can learn this together next time. Okay, so let's move on to another one, letter V. So we pronounce this in verbal, and let's see the example here, right here. So the example: when, were, when, violin, ways, virtual. So it's all these words start with letter V, verbal. And go to another one, W. So W we pronounce it the same as we, but yeah, actually it's different. Let's see the example right here. Wash, okay, watch, W, watch, which, woo. Okay, so hope you guys can read fluently here. Okay, so let's move to another one with X. Okay, so X in Khmer is letter S. For example, six, xylophone, sexy, fox, and many more words. So if you learn more and more about this, you will definitely recognize and candidate it well. Yeah. And next one is wise. So later on you will see Y with asterisk, but here I didn't put the asterisk, I forgot it, but that's okay, I will show you later. So here your year. So let's see the example right here: young, yak, yell, and jam. So it's very easy, right? So you can read it again and again and take note that Y is your here. So let's do another one, Z or Z. So Z start with, in Khmer sound is son, the ho jung so. Okay, for example right here: zipper, zoo, size, zero, and many more words that you can find and take a look and compare with all these words. Yeah, you can stop and pause and see it, compare with what you have seen with in your books, your dictionary, or with many things. Yeah. Okay, so right now we will start with the vowels sounds that is definitely get you easy to write the words. So let's go. So here we have A, E, I, O, U and Y with asterisk. It means that, yeah, I will show you later. Yeah, you can see here. Okay, so let's see. So we have vowels here, srat in Khmer, and we have two kinds of srat. The first one is srat with short sounds, and the second one srat with long sounds. So now we start with A. So A, we say it sounds like I. For example, like van, fan, tank. K and long sounds. Dance, give, take. Yeah. A, I, A. E, short sounds, and E, long sounds. Okay, let's see the example right here. Taste, desk, let. Okay, so right here is a word, and there are many more. You can find it and try to pronounce it according to this video. And here long sound with E, like fence, deletes, decodes. So we hear E here, E or E here. So right here, just want to focus or make it clarify with the long sounds. Normally we see E at the end, we recognize it as a long sounds right here. So don't be confused. Okay, now we start with letter I, like lead, like E, lit, tall, lit, fill, fur, fill, drill, drilled. Okay, and the long sounds with I, like file, mal, drive. Okay, let's move on to another one. Oh, example, like here it also sounds like or, and the long sound O. So let's see the example right there. Okay, so fox, fox, frog, sock. The long sounds O, dove, solve. This one we pronounce it loose right here. So now we start with letter U. Okay, letter U is A, like example right here, dark, track, conduct, and many more words. And U, shoot, ooh, shoot, tube, dude. Okay, right here. And then the last one, what I have told you before, that it's with asterisk because it have half consonant and half vowels. So for example here, you can go through you can turn to the back a little bit. You can see like yell something like that. So for example here, with E, comedy, crazy, okay, hungry, so it E sounds, and then the long sounds like drive, I, drive, fly, and cry. Okay, so here is the end of our sharing. So hope you guys get it, and if I have any mistake, please comment it below the video, and don't forget to subscribe, like for more video. Okay, thank you very much for this. Thank you.